Hi everyone, Yen here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. I am doing a swipe on a 50 by 50 centimeters. I watched Kathleen Osmore from Cos Creations the other day doing a swipe, testing some swipe techniques, and I really liked the colors that she used. I really loved the outcome. Several times I thought that she could have stopped and she should have stopped, but obviously because she was just practicing, she did not. Um, but yeah, I decided that I wanted to do something similar using some of the same colors because I really liked the Aurora Borealis feel of it. So that's what I'm trying to do here. Um, I have the following colors, as you can see: Studio Acrylics. I think it's called green, yellow, iridescent. I'm actually not sure. I'll put that in the description below. Actually, I think that I already have it ready, so let me just see. So that one was pebeo fluorescent yellow. This one is iridescent green yellow by pebeo. And the consistency is not as thin as Kathleen's, but I am hoping to learn some more next week from her in Washington, D.C. This color is the iridescent. No, it cannot be. That's the fluorescent yellow. I'm sorry, I mixed them up. I'll put the colors in the description. So let me not mention what the colors are because yeah, I've thought that I'd put them in the right order in my notes, but apparently not. So anyway, back to the Fluid Art Boutique that I'm going to next week. I'm very excited to learn a lot from Kathleen and her, especially her consistencies of the paints and swiping techniques. Is going to be amazing to get some inside information from her. So that's going to be very exciting. But yeah, I wanted to try this one out um, just to see if I could get the same feel to it. Now, the difference between what Kathleen is doing and the way that I do it is that I use the cell activator, which is with Australian Floetrol mixed with Amsterdam Titanium White. Kathleen does not do that. Her swipes are the selling, and everything that happens when she does it is because of the consistency and the mix that she uses. So that's one of the reasons why I'm going. I can't wait. I'm actually leaving tomorrow. This video will be um, released while I'm in the US. So, but I'm actually narrating it now the day before I'm leaving for the US. Today is the 30th of April. I'll be leaving the 1st of May, and the Fluid Art Boutique starts on the 3rd. So, very excited, and I'm sure that you'll hear more about it. But yeah, as you can see, I'm just adding all these different colors, and I decided to do it in a wavy way. Um, in hindsight, not sure that I like the way that I did it. Again, hopefully I can learn something from Kathleen because she's doing the swooshes, and that would be the technique to use when doing it like this. Um, I think that I just went a little too wild with the wave. Had I done it a little more flat, it would have been easier to actually swipe with the paper towel. It may not look that difficult. I sped up the the video here, so it actually looks a little easier than it actually was. Of course, it takes you have to be slow and you have to make sure that you pull it the right way and don't miss any places. So, but yeah, I actually like this outcome, to be honest. And I also like the way that it ended up looking when I had done the bottom part. Um, the thing is that after that, I decided to um, to do a little more experimenting, and that's where I think that I went wrong. So, but you will be the judge of that. And you will be seeing that in a little bit. When I'm done with this bottom part, I will show you everything that I went through after, what I tried to do and how I tried to correct it, and so on and so forth. I will speed up the part after this bottom part has been done. I will speed up the rest of the swipes a lot more, to 8 times the speed, because it just takes a long time and I don't think it's that interesting really to watch. So that's why I sped it up and just let it, yeah, just to show you how I did it, but not narrating it. So I will actually also now, I will put on some music for the rest of the video, and hope that you enjoyed the video. I will see you when I'm back from the US, or post more videos when I'm back from the US. Like I said, these videos, I will have a few lined up, so they will be released while I'm gone. But until then, see you when I come back. You have a wonderful day. Oh, and last but not least, if you are not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. It helps me a lot to keep my channel going. Also, leave a comment in the comment section. Ask questions if you have any. And last but not least, give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.